Exercise 2.7, question number 4, find. First part, 7.9 divided by 1000. Here we have to divide a decimal number by 1000. So when we divide a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits of the number and the answer are same, but the decimal point in the answer shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros over 1. Here we have 3 zeros. So decimal point will be shifted 3 digits towards left. Now 7.9 divided by 1000. So first we will write 7, 9. Now the decimal point will be shifted 3 digits because we are dividing by 1000. 3 zeros are there. So decimal point will be shifted 3 digits. So 1 digit, second digit, third digit, then 0.0. So the answer is 0.0079. Now second part, 26.3 divided by 1000. So the point will be shifted 3 digits towards left because we are dividing by 1000. 3 zeros are there. So first we will write 263. Now we have to shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left. 1, 2 and third digit, then 0.0. Point was after 6. Now we have shifted it here. So 1, 2, 3 digits. So answer is 0.0263. 0.0263. Now third part, 38.53 divided by 1000. 1000 means over 1 there are 3 zeros. So we have to shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left. So this is equals to 3853. First I have written the number without decimal point. Now we have to shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left. 1, 2, 0 is the third digit, then 0.0. So answer is equals to 0.03853. Now fourth part, 128.9 divided by 1000. So we will shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left because we are dividing by 1000. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. So we will shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left. So 1, 2, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, then 0.0. So 0.1289 is the answer. Now fifth part, 0.5 divided by 1000. So first we will write 5. We have to shift the decimal point 3 digits towards left. So 1 digit, second, third, then 0.0. So answer is equals to 0.0005.